you want to know how to fix a friend request not showing on Snapchat, you've come to the right place. So in order to do it in the correct way, we firstly need to open our Snapchat, then go to settings. So click on your icon in the left top corner, and here click on settings in the right top. After that, we need to scroll down to find a clear data option. It's in privacy controls area. So click on clear data, and then just simply click on clear cache in the last line. Click on clear, and it will need to restart. We need to click on OK. After that, open App Store and search for Snapchat. You can also open it in Google Play, and make sure to have the latest version here. So if you have update button or upgrade, please download the latest version. Then close and open settings once more. Here we need to scroll down to find Snapchat in the apps list. So click on Snapchat and make sure that background app refresh feature is turned on. So only in this case the problem will be automatically solved. So now we can easily open our Snapchat and our problem will be successfully solved, and it's definitely the best way of how to fix a friend request not showing up on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.